is Annalicia. I just decided to make a quick video about ThredUP and the clothing that I've been buying from there. I've probably been shopping there since 2015 online, and I really enjoy all of the clothes that they have to offer and everything that I've ever purchased from there. The only thing that I ever ran into, the only problem I ever ran into was just a measuring problem where I should have measured like a dress out on the waist. It was like a little too tight, but yeah, please enjoy the video. In the description, there will be a link for if you want to get $10 off by a referral code, so please check that out. Thanks. So this is one of the shirts that I got. There's just a couple little specks on here, but it's a nice black, I don't even know, button-up shirt. And here's another one, and they come in this cute like polka dot wrapping and recycled like packaging, which is also nice. And so I'm gonna try these on and show them to you in a second, but they're just and you get them for like a fraction of the cost of if it was new too. I mean, it's in really good shape. I think I bought this one for like $15 or something, and this one around that price. I think actually this was like $10. Okay, so I did look back on the pricing, and this was actually $14.99 on ThredUp. And it fits me just perfectly. I got a medium, and they're all different like brands, so you kind of have to sift through, and they're all at different like varying types of like use. So I believe this one said you could mistake it for brand new. And I mean, I love it. I wouldn't wear it with these pants. I probably, because I just threw this on, but I could just wear this to work or like out on a night. So this was shirt one. And this is sweater two. So this is like was listed as like an athletic sweater. It has like little holes for the thumbs, but I really love this as well. And this was $10.99. So, and this honestly, it smells like it has been like washed or something. But before I wear these like for real for a whole day, I always wash any new clothing or used clothing, because you just don't know the history, and you don't want to be wearing someone else's clothes too. But I love, without washing them, but I love these, and that's just what happens when, you know, you're buying used clothing. But it's definitely worth it, because this is like just amazing what you can get for a fraction of the cost, and you don't, I mean, I just feel good using clothes that would have gone to waste if this person didn't want them. So thanks for watching. Definitely check out ThredUp if you're interested in buying secondhand clothing, and let me know how your experience goes.